Yeah, you're good. Hey guys, how's it going? Kind of get you caught up on what's going on. I really should have started these videos a lot sooner. But basically, I have a little project here, and it's called a body swap. If you don't know what a body swap is, you're basically getting two vehicles, chopping them up, and just combining them and making one. Very nice. Anyways, I've had this project going on for about 2 months now. I've been posting it on some social media, Facebook, Reddit, some subs and forums, and everyone's been telling me, they're like, you got to make videos, you got to, do like these little progress videos, these little builds on it. So basically, this is a 1962 C20 pickup body chopped onto a 2006 Chevrolet Tahoe chassis. Basically what I did is I just chopped out the whole floorboard and firewall of the truck, took off the whole body on the '06 Tahoe, and just combined them. There's a lot of trimming, you can imagine. Trimmed about 3 inches off of the firewall, a lot of trial and error. But honestly, it was not as hard as you think it is. That was probably my biggest question I've been getting from a lot of people. Like, how hard is this? Or how do you know how to do this? Or honestly, I don't know what I'm doing. Like, I really don't. You just gotta kind of jump into it, and that's how you learn. But yeah, basically just a lot of cutting and welding. Runs and drives, I gotta bleed the brakes. That's the next thing I gotta do on it. And then I gotta start plating everything in. I will say probably the hardest part about this whole project is welding sheet metal. I'm not really a welder, I'm more of a car guy. But I made it work, especially welding with like flux core. You can kind of see I had to shorten the bed about 10 inches to match the wheelbase. So it's definitely interesting, definitely a new area for me. Haven't done this before, no clue what I'm doing, but I mean, if I can do it, you can do it too. A lot of people are asking me, how did you know it would fit? I follow some Facebook groups, some body swap Facebook groups, and I've seen other people do the same thing. So I was like, okay, well, why not? Backstory on how I got the vehicles. The Tahoe I got for free. Yeah, I don't know how I managed to do that, but basically a neighbor's daughter wrecked it. She rolled it and towed it out of the ravine and was like, hey, it's going to cost more to get this thing hauled off to the scrapyard. Do you want it? So I was like, sure. About 10 p.m. I got up and they towed it right to my doorstep and had that. That was interesting. And then I managed to find this body on Facebook for about 1,500 delivered, no chassis, so it kind of made it easy. I didn't have to separate anything. It was all there. All the body lines were straight. All the glass was intact. And then just got the chopping. So basically I can show you here. You can see where we need to plate it in. Got the interior. See where you need to plate in. All along the perimeter right there. Had to cut back the dash completely. Leave all the electronics basically, so I don't have to mess with that. Had to relocate that fuse block inside. Just cut the seats and the center console. I'm gonna have the center console flow into the dash. But that's basically it. Got new wheels on it. Got a lowering kit, lowering spindles, new calipers, all that fun stuff. And that's basically it. So tomorrow I will be plating in the whole floorboard, the whole cab really, and then plating in the bed, as you can tell. It's still the floorboard of the Tahoe, and I will just be plating in. You see I got behind the cab right there already. Just all along there. And after that, I will be fabricating a custom front bumper for it. You see it has no bumper. And then from there, interior work and then body work, and it's basically good to go. So stay tuned. I'll keep you guys updated. See ya.